Want to be able to do that? Here are 4 skills that you need to be able to do that. Check it out. First, the motorbike. Do it in A. Second, the soft laugh. Ha 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 ha. Do that in pitch. Ha 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 ha. Soften the H in the beginning. Third, the bomb. Ooh. Explosion is optional. Do it in A. Fourth, akaram in ragas that you want to work with. In this case, it was Hamsadvani. Sa re ga pa ni sa ni pa ga re sa. Do that in akaram. Put all 4 of these together. Starting with the motorbike, start from the pa. Go from the pa to the sa. Follow it up with the soft laugh. Follow it up with the bomb. Come from the sa to the pa. Go back up the sa. Do the akaram. Put all of them together.